Hey guys, Coach here with this week's plant of the week. I want to give you the Yuki Snowflake Deutzia. The first time I saw it, the very first application I thought about was hillside plantings. Covered in white blooms during the springtime, but has a very, very dense root mat that's relatively shallow, but great for a hillside planting. Only goes to about 2 feet tall. And you can imagine your hillside just covered in this every springtime. Hardiness zone down to zone 5, which is, almost 20 below. Deutzia is one that really works well if you cut it back to about 12 inches every year and then let it flush back out in the springtime and don't touch it until after it has its color display. Yep, Yuki Snowflake Deutzia. Very popular plant, very readily available at almost all nurseries and garden centers, and you will find this one put out by the Proven Winners company. Anyway, as far as feeding, maybe once in the springtime, and that is about it. It does like to have a pretty good draining soil, but if you amend up some clay soil really well, 50-50 type of amendment, it should do very well. Yuki Snowflake Deutzia. Check it out at your garden center. I'll catch you guys next week. Bye for now.